Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, underserved mechanic. And today we have Mom's 2008 Honda Pilot. SUV. It needs front and rear wiper blades, but I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to start with this rear. This plastic piece you just kind of lift up. It's just a little clip right here. And let me flip my camera screen so I can see what I'm showing you. It just kind of clips in there. Don't yank on it too hard. It does feel like all the time you're going to break it when you do this. You got a 10mm nut, and hold this so you don't want all torque on it. And you just loosen this off. So you got a nut, don't lose that. And this is going to be splined. Well, it looks like you don't quite have to take this off all the way, but it sure does make your life easier. This is how I got to do it on my Infiniti. That just, by the way, this is 15, that drops off. And this is a Bosch, which irony was cheaper. Well, this is a 14, cheaper than the cheap brand, but this is R1417 Spectrum Direct Fit Rear, which I mean, for a rear wiper blade, it doesn't have to be particularly fancy. Not like your life depends on that rear wiper blade so much. Take that, throw that on the ground like an adult. See right there? This just pops off and you have these grooves right here, and it just hooks in, which makes it super convenient. Put this back here. This is back on the spline. I don't know if there's an actual torque requirement for this nut, but I'm going to be straight up with you. It really doesn't need to be torqued down to like 25 foot-pounds. It just needs to be tight and snug. Then get your little cover and these little grooves here. Hello, neighbor dachshund. Maybe we'll get some barks in this video, we'll see. That's my neighbor dachshund Camo. He came to say hello. I get this one last clip in here. Alright, there we go. That's how she goes. Goes up and down, tight enough. And if you're curious, that's Camo, the neighbor dachshund. He's called Camouflage because he's camouflage patterned. He's pretty chillax. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.